Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix mouse not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now I'm going to assume that my mouse is not working, so I'm going to be using keyboard shortcuts for you guys to have it easier. First, we're going to click on the window button on your keyboard and we start typing run, and it will automatically search the word run like that. And now we click on our arrow up button and it should select the run app. Hit enter and that should open the app. Now we're going to type in dev.mgmt.msc as I have typed in on the run app. After that, just hit enter to open up the device manager. From here, we click on the tab to select an option within the device manager. Now we're going to use the arrow down key to go to the option that says mice and other pointing devices. Now we're going to click on the right arrow key to open up the drop-down menu under this option. As you can see, we have the HID compliant mouse option. You might have one or two, and that's okay. Now we're going to select this option by hitting on enter, and this window should open up. Now we're going to the driver tab, and to do that, click on the tab key on your keyboard, and we're going to use the right arrow key. Now we are at the driver tab. From here, what we're going to do is to click on the tab key again so we can go to uninstall device. Once we have selected the uninstall device option, hit enter and click on uninstall, which is now selected, so you just have to click on enter. And that should uninstall that device. And if you have two HD compliant device, do that method as well to that HD compliant device. Now the next thing we're going to do is to restart our computer. So to do that, click on the Windows key on your keyboard. We're going to click on the tab key and make sure that it is on the left, on the very left side menu option, so you can just click on the down arrow key. If not, just keep on hitting the tab button so that it is on the very left side of the menu. From here, you have to click on the arrow down key until it is on the power key. Hit enter and you should be able to select restart and hit enter again to further reset your computer. And that is how you can basically fix mouse not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.